Hey, I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. I am Sarah.
Nice to meet you. New here?
Yeah, started last week.
Welcome aboard. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. You?
Software developer. Looks like we'll work together.
That's great. How long have you been here?
About 3 years. It's a great place to work.
That's good to hear. What's your favorite project so far?
Probably the fitness app. How about you? What kind of work do you enjoy?
Creative branding is my favorite, but I'm excited to try more here.
Awesome. Let me know if you need help with anything.
Will do. Thanks, Alex.
Hey, got a minute?
Sure. What's up?
I'm stuck on this project. Can you help me out?
Of course. What's going wrong?
I'm having trouble with the data part.
What exactly is the issue?
I don't know how to organize it.
Have you tried using a template?
No, didn't think of that.
I can show you one I use all the time.
That would be awesome. Thanks.
No problem, let's check it out.
Here's the data I've got.
Okay, we'll use this template. It'll make things easier.
Wow, I didn't realize it could be that simple.
It's all about finding the right approach.
Yeah, but I'm still not sure how to filter it correctly.
Let's walk through it. I'll show you a quick trick.
Oh, that makes a lot more sense now.
Great! Now, try applying that.
Okay, I'll test it out.
Let me know if it works. If not, we'll figure it out together.
Actually, it's working much smoother now.
Seriously, I wouldn't have figured this out without you.
Thanks again. I owe you one.
Anytime, John. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. You're a lifesaver.
Haha, no worries. I'm just doing my job.
Excuse me, can you help me? How do I get to Central Park?
Sure, go straight 3 blocks and take a left.
Thanks. Is it far?
Not really. Just a 10-minute walk.
Sorry to bother you again. Am I near Central Park now?
Oh, you're really close. 2 more blocks. And it's on your right.
Thanks. I must have taken the wrong turn earlier.
Happens to everyone. Look for the big gate.
Sorry, I have another question. Do you know where the zoo is? In the park?
No problem. Just follow the main path. You'll see signs pointing to the zoo.
Is it far from here?
Not too far. About a 10-minute walk.
Thanks again. You're really helping me out.
I am happy to help you.
Hi again, it's me. I found the zoo. Now, how do I get back to the main entrance?
Haha, glad you found it. Walk back along the same path and turn left at the fountain.
Got it, thanks. You're a lifesaver today.
Don't worry, it's all good.
One last question. Is there a cafe near the entrance?
Yes, just outside the gate on the right. It's a nice spot.
Perfect. I could use some coffee. Thanks.
Anytime. Enjoy the park.
Hey, do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I love painting. What about you?
I'm into photography.
Oh, cool. What do you like? Taking pictures of?
Landscapes, mostly. They're peaceful. So, how did you get into painting?
I've loved it since I was a kid. It's relaxing.
That's nice. Do you paint landscapes too?
Sometimes, but I enjoy portraits more.
That's impressive. Portraits seem harder.
They are, but it's fun capturing emotions.
Do you do it as a hobby or professionally?
Just a hobby. What you?
Same. Photography's my escape from work.
I get that. Do you ever edit your photos?
Yeah, just basic editing. I try to keep it natural. Have you ever tried photography?
Not seriously, but I've taken a few shots.
You should try it more. It's fun.
Maybe you ever thought of trying painting?
I'm terrible at drawing, so probably not.
Haha, you never know until you try.
What's your favorite thing you've painted?
A portrait of my mom. It turned out great.
That's sweet. Must be special.
Yeah, it is. What's your favorite photo?
A sunset I captured in the mountains.
That sounds beautiful.
Maybe I'll try painting someday.
You should, and I'll try taking better photos.
Deal. We'll exchange tips.
Sounds like a plan.
Hey, have you traveled much?
A little. I loved Italy. What about you?
Japan. The culture and food were amazing.
Oh, Japan's on my bucket list.
What did you love about Italy?
The food, pasta, pizza, gelato, everything.
I'd probably gain 10 pounds. There.
Haha, it's worth it. What's your favorite dish from Japan?
Ramen. Authentic ramen is unbeatable. Did you visit Rome in Italy?
Yes, the Colosseum is incredible.
I'd love to see that. I bet. It's huge.
It is. And the history there is fascinating.
I saw Mount Fuji in Japan. It was breathtaking.
That must have been so peaceful. Did you hike it?
No, just admired it from a distance. It's massive.
That must have been so peaceful.
Any other places you loved in Italy?
Venice. The canals are magical, especially at sunset.
That sounds amazing. Did you try the gondola ride?
Of course. It's touristy, but so worth it.
I also love Tokyo. The city never sleeps.
I've heard it's so vibrant. Did you try karaoke there?
Yes, it's a big deal in Japan. Super fun.
That's awesome. I'd be too shy to sing.
Did you take any cool pictures in Italy?
Tons. The Amalfi Coast was picture perfect.
I'd love to see it. The coastline must be stunning.
It is. The views are unforgettable.
Japan also has amazing temples. Kyoto was full of them.
I'd love to visit Kyoto. Did you wear a kimono there?
I did. It felt special, like stepping back in time. Where do you want to travel next?
Greece. I want to see Santorini and Athens.
Great choice. The white buildings in Santorini are iconic.
Right? And the sunsets look unreal.
For me, Iceland's next. I want to see the northern lights.
Oh, that's a dream of mine too. When do you plan to go?
Hopefully next winter. Fingers crossed for clear skies.
Good luck. You'll love it.